Stop by and take a look at the 2016 ES. Lexus has sold the ES family of vehicles since 1989 as its mid-sized luxury sedan line. The ES series has become the best-selling sedan for Lexus and known for its emphasis on interior amenities and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, CD player, fog lights, power windows, overhead console. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.